Saskia, last descendant of Abraham Van Helsing, slayer of Dracula, destroyer of monsters. Runs strong in my family's bloodline, just as evil courses through the house of Dracula.
My pursuit of Dracula's brides has brought me to this place. My pursuit of Dracula's brides has brought me to this place. My pursuit of Dracula's brides has brought me to this place. My pursuit of Van Helsing. Last of the 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 Van Helsing. I will destroy this unholy alliance. I will destroy this unholy alliance. Monster and monster hunter. Together we embarked on a fateful journey. Monster and monster hunter. Together we embarked on a fateful journey. Monster and monster hunter. My blood slashes through many hearts. Your bloodline is dark. To sever the bloodline, aim for the heart. To sever the bloodline, aim for the heart. To sever the bloodline, aim for the heart. Come to me, last I brought her home, but evil always follows. I brought her home, but evil always follows. I brought her home, but evil always follows.
watch everything from this year's Halloween Horror Nights event, check out this playlist on the left of the screen. Finally, thank you for watching and see you later.